Beijing BJ30 Traveler Edition includes 11 professional modifications for all kinds of travel scenarios. This kit is structured around 4 core dimensions: advanced outpost protection, basic ground, air fortress, and wind-driven aesthetics, and comprehensively enhances the vehicle with 11 professional modification configurations, fully covering various travel scenarios and revealing the ultimate in off-road driving. It is offered at a special fan price of 28,500 yuan. The front bumper, made of manganese steel, offers effective protection to withstand various impacts during driving. Its factory-fitted design prevents interference with the radar system, ensuring smooth operation of the ACC adaptive cruise control. At the same time, the kit's integrated yellow spotlights provide strong visibility, significantly improving visibility even in extreme weather conditions such as fog, enhancing driving safety. The integrated design of the front bumper and spotlights gives the vehicle a robust and imposing look, showcasing a powerful stance. Equipped with 245/60R18 tires, it balances road comfort with off-road grip, helping users maintain control on all types of terrain. Paired with 18-inch negative offset rims, it not only gives the vehicle a more powerful visual impact but also enhances driving stability by providing excellent durability and robustness in complex road conditions thanks to its reinforced structural design. The side ladder features a lightweight platform design that can securely hold equipment such as oil drums and emergency exit boards, while also offering an interface for mounting binoculars, providing various expansion possibilities for outdoor travel. The aluminum alloy folding luggage rack ladder allows users to easily access and store equipment using roof space with a non-destructive installation process. The hanging net with D window on the right side cleverly combines the need to hang outdoor tools with visual aesthetics, providing the dual satisfaction of personal expression and practical functionality. The roof spoiler optimizes airflow distribution around the vehicle, further enhancing driving stability. The additional space on the tailgate not only enhances the three-dimensional visual effect of the rear of the vehicle but also provides additional storage space. The rear wing seamlessly integrates with the body, creating a natural and unified look that showcases the quality of the design. The specially manufactured desert gold vehicle cover provides physical protection to the vehicle and emphasizes its unique identity. Beijing Off-Road has managed to create many best-selling models.